Hey, Jacob. Jacob. This is Papa. Hi. Hi, baby Jacob. Say hi. Baby. Hey, baby. Hi. Hey, baby. Hi.
Sure lang natin kung gaano kalaki yung ulo mo, baby. Jacob, okay. Don't cry. Medyo, cone head, pero it will just go back into its nice shape. Baby.
Especially we have different system. I think and Peggy came different system.
You're right. Yeah.
The headache.
32. Malaki pa siguro.
Ang laki ulo. Mana sa
Gawin na
tatay.
lang natin 33. Right? Yeah, it's 33. Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
I like 33 than 32.
Gonna be a smart boy.
Of course. Right, Jacob? So, is there one more to go?
I don't know, maybe. We'll be back next year.
Next year? All right. All right, baby. So, about 31 and a half. 33. 31.5.
Baby. Hey, baby. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Come on. Don't sleep again.
Did you chart yet, Miss Young?
Uh-oh.
You
Uh-oh.
charted? You charted
Looks like
already?
he's hungry.
Yeah. I know, and then we have the
Mm-hmm.
boxes to check. Oh,
Yep.
God.
It's okay, baby.
It's okay, sweet.
It's okay.
We're just measuring, okay? We're just measuring, baby.
Starlines, the cell lines.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. Tell them you have to charge it for epi.
Yeah, epi just times 1 and the sodium bicarb, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Jacob.
But
Look
I
at
don't
your
know the
dad.
name there. We have to.
Oh, yeah.
Jacob.
We have to ask the clinic.
The mom and grandma for this baby are here.
Yes. Yeah, 7 o'clock report shift.
Did you tell them from the thing or no?
It's Mary's,
Mary,
yeah,
okay.
baby.
Let me go back out there and tell them then.
Yeah, they can come at 7:30, 49.
But they don't want to come in. They just wanted to see through the window.
Oh,
They're
okay.
seeing, they were here, they are earlier. Like frozen.
But I think it's somebody else with the grandmother.
Okay, yeah.
I put our music.
Oh, Dad, I forgot. It's 7 o'clock.
Jacob.
You have to,
Jacob.
Daddy,
Jacob.
sorry.
Jacob.
Yeah, 7 o'clock. We have
Okay.
to get you
All right.
out of here because
All right.
totally
Understand.
forgot about.
Hey,
Yeah.
Jacob. I'm gonna be
Okay.
leaving. I will see you
Yeah,
later,
so
okay, baby?
you inform Mom about the weight, 5 pounds, 13.4, almost
Okay.
514.
Okay.
And then the length is, what did I say, 49 cm, which is like, here, 49 is 19 and almost close to 19 and a half.
Okay.
Right?
Alright.
All right.
Okay,
Here you
baby.
go.
I'll see you, baby. Love you. Oop.
Okay.
Bless you, baby.
Allergy, huh?
Oop. I think he's allergic to me.
No. Just cleaning
Allergic
up
to
the
daddy.
nose. Okay.
Okay.